your name? Louder, please. How old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
What animal do you like?
I miss Rabbit.
Rabbit. What color do you like?
I'm pink.
Good job. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Speak louder, okay? What color is this?
Purple.
It's purple. What color is
It's
this?
brown.
Brown. Great. What?
It's pink.
Good job. What color is this?
It's white.
It's white. Great. What is it?
It's dark.
It's a door.
Door.
How many doors are there?
5 doors.
5 doors. Great. There are 5 doors.
Chair.
Chair. How many chairs are there?
2 chairs.
Great job. There are 2 chairs. What is this?
Table.
How many tables are there?
3 tables.
There are 3 tables. What is it?
Window.
Window. How many windows are there?
4 windows.
Very good. Who is this? Granddad. And who's this?
Granny.
Very good. Who's this? Dog.
Daughter.
And who's this?
Victoria.
Cousin. Who's this?
Office.
Amanda.
Mother.
Who's this?
Office.
Very good. Who's this? George. Look at the screen. What are they?
Eye.
They are my eyes. What are hands? What are they?
Ear.
They are my ears. And what's this? Head. What are they? They are my arms. What shape is it?
Square.
Square. And what shape is it?
Circle.
Circle.